Hello pattern makers, welcome to OJ Patterns, and today we'll be working on that into styleline. So this is our design. This is what we're working on. So the first thing, you need to know the details of your design, like the neckline. Now here what we have here is a basic neckline, and then this is our styleline. That means this is your center front, so it is a seam here and then another one going across from the through bust point to the other through bust point. That's what we'll be working on. So the first thing you want to do is get your sloper. Next, connect your waist dart to your through bust point. Okay. Next step is from the through bust point, rule a straight line towards center front. Now don't forget to label. This is the side seam and this is the center front. So want to connect from the through bust point towards center front. So ensure you rule a straight line. Okay. Next, close up the dart. So we'll be closing up the waist and shoulder dart, but before that we have to slash our style line open. So we've slashed and now we'll close up the dart. I'll close up the shoulder dart and I'll also close up the waist dart. So the excess of both darts would move towards the center front line that we've slashed open. You want to ensure you close only the dart that is needed. Okay, so I'll close up the waist dart. Okay. So now the fact that we've closed up both that, see it's looking slanted. So you want to check. The next thing we want to cross check is we're going to place this on another paper and add the necessary seam allowance. But now if you check, going back to the pattern, going back to our design, you realize that there's a seam from the neckline to the center front line we squared out, but there is none at the bottom part. So that means this bottom part is going to be on fold. And then we'll place on another paper. So don't forget the bottom is on fold. That means it has to be placed on the edge this way. And then we'll tape it down. Okay, now we're done adding necessary seam allowance. So as you can see, here is on fold and here is our seam allowance. So in terms of sewing it, all we need to do is join this seam first and then we'll join this one across. Don't forget, when sewing your dart, you take back like 1.5 cm or 1 cm away from the through bust point. You don't want to start your sewing from here, so you need to start your sewing from here and then you close up. So that's how you get this. And don't forget to label your patterns. You want to indicate this is straight grain and cotton fold. Okay, now we're done cutting on fabric. As you can see, the bottom part is on fold based on our design draft. So this is it. Here is on fold, and here is not on fold because there's a seam there. That was why we added the seam allowance. So what we'll be doing next is to join this center from the up part first before we join this. So I'll open it up so we'll see how it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So this is it. This is how it comes up. So what we're gonna do first is join up the top part first by the seam allowance, and then we'll hold this out to sew. Okay, now we're done joining the seam. So this is the top, and as you can see, the bottom part is still on fold. It's one piece. So we're gonna be placing it on the video to see how it comes up.